In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and noticed the same rows appearing again and again, this quick method will help you clean it up while keeping your original data safe. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc, then open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to tidy. As a best practice, save a copy first so you can always go back if needed. Next, highlight the range you want to check for duplicates. Include the column headers if your table has them, and make sure the selection is one continuous block of cells without completely blank rows or columns breaking it up. You can click the first cell and shift-click the last cell to select the entire block. If your data is very large, Ctrl+A inside the table will often grab the current region. Keep in mind that duplicates are determined across the columns you select. If you only care about uniqueness in a single column, select just that column before proceeding. With the range selected, go to the top menu and click Data. From there, choose More Filters and then select Advanced Filter. Advanced Filter is great when you want to filter in place or apply more complex criteria, but here we'll use it for a fast, reliable way to show only unique records. In the Advanced Filter dialog, click Options to reveal additional settings, then check No Duplications. If your selection includes headers, make sure the option to treat the first row as column labels is enabled, so your headers aren't mistaken for data. You don't need to define a criteria range for this task. The No Duplications option will compare the rows in your highlighted range automatically. Click OK. Calc will hide the duplicates immediately, leaving only a single instance of each unique row visible. Nothing is deleted at this stage. The duplicates are simply filtered out of view, so you're working safely. To create a permanent, cleaned list, select the visible results, copy them, and paste them into a new sheet or another area of your workbook. When copying filtered data, only the visible rows are copied. If you want to keep just the values, use Paste Special and choose Values Only, which helps avoid bringing along any formulas or formats you don't need. And that's it. By selecting your data, opening data, more filters, advanced filter, and enabling no duplications, you can quickly hide duplicate rows and extract a clean, unique list that's ready for analysis or reporting.